Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. Open an image. First make a duplicate layer by pressing shortcut key Ctrl+J. Select teeth area using lasso selection. Go to Image option and select Hue Saturation from Adjustment tab. Select yellow. Decrease saturation and increase brightness. Follow same steps for lower teeth. That's it. Teeth are white now. Let's try one more image. Follow the steps. Isn't it interesting and helpful? Then don't forget to comment what you want to learn next, we will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.